Got some flan and got some chocolate type of moussey pudding cake. Flan. This is so good. I thought it would leave an eggy taste in my mouth, but it is not leaving an eggy taste. Flan. Mm-hmm. That is so good. I only got a small piece because I know I like the initial taste. You ever eat something and it tastes good and then it leaves an aftertaste? I thought this flan would do that. Anybody got any flan recipes? Let's have a flan recipe contest. A flan making contest. Oh wow, I'm in the right place today. I'm gonna get some more of this. I'm gonna try to get a take-home plate. We're at Rutgers University at the Christmas dinner luncheon.